welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys how to update your plugins using auto updates, which I really recommend you have. The updates for WordPress, I've never had any crash. I've made dozens of websites. It always seems to be okay. So this is my dashboard, your WordPress dashboard. Simply move your mouse over to where it says plugins. You can either click on that and it will take you to the plugins section, or move your mouse over it and click on where it says install plugins. Either way works perfectly fine. Now, these are all the plugins I have installed, not many at the moment. So all I need to do is to click, I can click on individual ones like so. But if you have a lot of plugins, simply click on that first tick box that says plugin. When you click on that, it highlights every single plugin you have. From the drop down list, you're going to select that and choose enable auto updates. Click on that, then you're going to click apply. Now, once you've done that, you should be okay. This is going to update in the background whenever something new comes out, and you shouldn't need to do anything else.